To remove the sprocket on the Shimano Nexus internal gear hub, you will need a flathead screwdriver. In this video I'll also be using a vise. While it's not essential, it does make the job much easier. Begin by removing the rear wheel from the bike. If you're not sure how to do this, then before you carry on, watch my other video tutorial here on how to remove a Shimano Nexus internal gear hub wheel. There's also a link to this video in the description below. Remove the wheel nut and the non-turn washer from the drive side. If you are using a vise, be sure to also remove the wheel nut and the non-turn washer from the non-drive side. Lock the non-drive side axle in a vise. Make sure to clamp the two beveled sides of the axle to avoid damaging the threads. Turn the cassette joint mounting ring 45 degrees anti-clockwise and remove it from the cassette joint. Remove the cassette joint. Remove the driver cap from the driver. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the snap ring from the driver. Now remove the sprocket, taking note of its orientation. If the dust caps under the sprockets are dirty, you can use a flathead screwdriver to prise and remove them from the hub. And clean them. Now place the larger drive side dust cap onto the driver and do the same with the smaller drive side dust cap. Install the sprocket and secure it in place with the snap ring. Refit the driver cap to the driver. Turn the cassette joint pulley to align the marks on the pulley and the bracket. Install it with the mark on the cassette joint aligned with the mark on the driver. Install the cassette joint mounting ring by aligning the yellow mark on the joint mounting ring with the yellow mark on the pulley of the cassette joint. Turn the cassette joint mounting ring clockwise by 45 degrees. Refit the non-turn washers and the wheel nuts. Refit the wheel. I have a great video here for you on how to install a rear wheel with an internal gear hub. You can also find a link to this video in the description below. Thanks for watching, and as always I look forward to your comments on how you got on replacing a sprocket on your Shimano Nexus rear gear hub. Thanks so much for all your subscriptions, likes, comments and shares of my videos. I really appreciate your help. Thanks once again, and see you in the next video.